I'm excited about so many things once I come to the campus.
हेलो, सही में होता है बजरंग दल?
If a girl touches a boy or a boy touches a girl or whatever, you have to pay a fine of 10,000 bucks.
Hey guys, welcome back to V-Trends. I'm Zeba and I'm currently in my second year of college. So in today's video, we'll be asking some super exciting questions to our dear freshers. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video.
How is the exam pressure in VIT?
Compared to my JEE preparation, this was pretty chill, and even I thought like the subjects seem pretty chill. They don't seem that difficult. And I was wrong. My first sem GPA came recently, and yeah, I was very wrong. But I hope to change all of that in the second semester.
Obviously, there is exam pressure and it will exist forever. But it depends what you're doing and what you're aiming for.
I'd say there's always something or the other going on, but if you know how to manage your time and if you know how to prioritize, हो जाता है, manage हो जाता है, सब लोग कर लेते हैं.
भाई साहब कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
There is not much exam pressure right now, but it may change when campus opens offline.
ये बढ़िया था गुरु.
Exam pressure in VIT? What are you talking? I have 4 days and 2 quizzes in next 3 days. What are you talking? It is a pressure? No.
Even for this small exams or anything in engineering which you have to study hard and you have to kind of have some exam pressure to get good grades at the last.
Exam pressure is not that much high, I would say. At least that is what I would say after experiencing the online version. I still have to know what things are like in offline. In college, you learn the ability to cover your syllabus in one day, one night before the test, and I was quite successful in my first attempt.
What's the best thing about VIT?
According to me, is the best thing is that people are really sweet and they're really helpful.
So the clubs are here are not just for time pass. मुझे लगता था कि clubs में तो सिर्फ time pass होता होगा, but you actually meet many good people here also.
The best part about VIT is the seniors. Like they are very helpful. You can always approach them for the guidance and all. And yeah, they are super friendly.
Seniors, proctor or your teacher, they are really helpful. They guide you they guide you very nicely. If you have any queries, they solve it.
Best thing about VIT for me is FFCS. I can easily schedule my lab classes and theory classes as per my wish.
I would say two good things about VIT. First is the clubs and chapters, and second is the cultural diversity among the students. Honestly, I got to learn a lot from my classmates and club mates about the different cultures.
How excited are you to come to VIT?
I'm excited about so many things once I come to the campus. First of them being, of course, taking a customary photo in front of the VIT logo and posting it on Instagram.
So first thing, and it is very obviously, exploring VIT.
The thing I'm most excited about for coming to campus is definitely meeting all my friends, everyone that I've met online. I'd rather meet them offline now.
So I'm excited to see all those girls in my campus.
Oh my god! Wow!
And also my friends, whomever I have met during the online classes.
And we also wanted to have taste of hackathons, the offline hackathons and cultural events like Rivera. So looking forward to go to campus as soon as possible.
So I was really excited for the cultural and the technical fairs that our college organizes. That is Rivera and Gravitas.
अभी सबसे ज़्यादा excitement तो campus ही आने की है. उसके बाद आके क्या करेंगे वो तो बात की बात है. But if I had to say one thing, it would be to go on that Pondy trip.
What are some rumors you've heard about VIT?
One rumor I know about VIT, I heard that there is a Bajrang Dal in VIT also.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
But ये कैसे सच हो सकता है यार? हेलो, सही में होता है बजरंग दल? क्या PDA guards बोलते हैं उन्हें? Oh God!
The one rumor that I heard was that if a girl touches a boy or a boy touches a girl or whatever, you have to pay a fine of 10,000 bucks.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
A rumor that I heard was like teachers are really biased in giving you marks, but I don't think that's true. Teachers are really friendly and helpful.
North Indian faces a language barrier in VIT. like they are not able to understand what faculty is trying to say. But I would like to deny it and say ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It is easily comprehensible and yeah, teachers are also very good.
So rumors थे कि VIT का academics बहुत easy होंगे, but actually man, it's so very hectic.
Wait a minute. Best thing about VIT for me is FFCS. I can easily schedule my lab classes and theory classes as per my wish.
Music. One rumor I've heard is that the campus will open soon, but that's clearly a myth.
Do you think virtual dates are the only solution for red tags?
पढ़ाई लिखाई करो, IAS वाईएस बनो, ये सब क्या है?
अबे पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो.
But if you come up with something against the red tag Annas, let me know as well.
Well, from what I've heard, I'm steering clear of the red tag Annas at all costs. And I'm pretty sure whoever asked that question is now rusticated. So be your own judge.
Virtual dates? No, I think. I feel that जिसको करना है ना वो कैसे ना कैसे अपना जुगाड़ जमा ही लेता है. It's the same thing as saying that जिसके पेरेंट्स सबसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट होते हैं वही सबसे ज़्यादा हरामखोर निकलता है.
Be stealthy enough to not get caught. Just don't get caught. That's the only solution.
Oh, that's a good question. But I would say जिसको करना है वो तो कर ही लेंगे कुछ ना कुछ. But the lockdown has taught us that everything can be virtual, so why not this?
यार पहले कोई लड़की फॉलो रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करे फिर उसके बाद मतलब डेट की सोचेंगे.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I'm not aware about whom are red tag and what they do, and secondly I don't have a girlfriend. But for those who have one, I think that online dating is one of the most convenient way.
Well, virtual dates are not as good as the real thing, but then again, something's better than nothing. So why not go for it, I guess.
Which team do you think will win this IPL?
IPL तो इस बार मुंबई जीतेगी because we have Ambani on our side, and you know no one can beat Ambani.
So I feel that except RCB, any team can win the IPL.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
By the way, I am a Delhi supporter, but you never know what motive I can do.
My favorite is the Mumbai Indians, and Mumbai Indians will definitely. आमची मुंबई. बिहार से हो पर मुंबई.
बंद करो हाथ जो.
Which song describes your current situation?
पल 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 हर पल कैसे कटेगा पल हर पल.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना.